So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. So if you want to see what's in today's video, I'm sure you can see by the thumbnail, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yeah, sorry, I was looking over. If you hear anything, that's Carly. She's acting the fool. I don't know what is going on. She's jumping. There's probably a cat outside. Either that or she's mad because I'm not laying down, because I have been laying down for the last 9 days. Count them 9. It is the same night I'm filming Jeffree Star. I'm actually doing 3 videos tonight. So I messed up and I started this one, so I'm just going to roll with it. And hopefully I won't be coughing in the important one where I announced the winners. This one you'll probably see after that. I do have, and guys, this is crazy because I completely forgot this was coming. And I've had this. Like when it showed up, I was like, oh, crap, yeah. I have to open it because there's something in there I need to get. So we got to go over it. That's just all there is to it. So while I'm opening this box, because it is taped, yes, I want to say hello again to those who are new and don't know who I am. My name is Stephanie. I am the host. I am a sick host right now. I have been sick for so many days. It's like this cold. It is from the fiery pits of you-know-where. So just saying, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. If you like unboxings, mystery boxes, makeup, hauls, going shopping, all things beauty. I do all things beauty on this channel for the mind, the body, and the soul. And I do say that because I try to approach beauty on the lighter side. And, you know, I'm all about positivity and having you accept yourself, you know, like being comfortable in your own skin. It took me a while to do that. I still struggle with it, guys. Like coming on camera looking like this with minimal makeup on. I was very hesitant on doing that, but I'm like, you know what? No, because I have to get better with my self-image, and just that's what it's all about on this channel. Just trying to make you being comfortable in your own skin. You can be here. You don't get judged. Everybody gets along. You know, people talk amongst themselves in the comment section. I join in. I read each and every comment. It's just a very wonderful place to be a part of. So I invite you to please join the family. I don't like that S word. So, oh, remember to please rate the video thumbs up, turn on your bell. That is very important because I announce giveaways and the winners to those giveaways through videos. So you want to know when the videos go up. Okay, just saying. All right, so I think this is definitely the fall one. Oh my gosh, I'm so behind. Are we still in fall? Yeah, we are, right? Just barely. All right, so, everything was falling. This box way too big. I cannot put it anywhere. So I'm just going to, okay. So I heard that they're not giving you any, what? We got $15 off. So whoever wants to use this for $15, pause it and use it. First one, first serve. There you go. Okay. Then we do have the book. Let me see something. Hold please while I see. Because I heard that the prices aren't in here. And I'll be darned if I don't remember what I got. What? Wait a minute. Listen, I know nothing about FabFitFun. Somebody needs to tell me how to work this because I just look at, okay, I do have it right here. Thank you to my good friend for this, like swapping me this because I love this stuff and I need another bottle. And here it is right here. First thing when I open the page to the products, look what we see. Oh my God. I open it up to that thing right there. And I could have got that. How much would I have to pay for that? It's a refill. Yeah. Oh, really? Is that the price I would have had to pay, $44? I thought refills were like $15. See, I know nothing about FabFitFun. I just picked the 4 products because I'm seasonal and that's it. But I think there's more you can do like after that, right? I don't know. I don't know. Listen, somebody needs to break it down to me how to maneuver this FabFitFun because I see all these mystery bundles and I know nothing. I know nothing about that. Okay. Anyway, we do have some products in here, I think. Did they show us? I'm going to go through it really quickly. Did I pause the video? No. Okay. Listen, guys, I have been taking so much Theraflu and cold medicine. See, here's the thing. I can't take cold medicine because, well, I can, but I don't like to because, like, you know the nighttime one? it makes me wake. Like, I get the opposite reaction with that stuff. And that's why I don't really like to take it unless I absolutely have to. And I have to take Coricidin because I have heart issues. So Coricidin, guys, is not that great. Let me just tell you, it's not as good as the other stuff. But, you know, because of my heart. Okay, so I don't know. These are exclusive offers. I don't know. Let me just go through the products and show you what I got. I don't know what the choices were. They're not in here. So this is different from the other book I got. So that's what they must have been talking about. I did hear, I think Mary Catherine loves cats. Hi, Mary Catherine. Anyway, if you don't know who she is, guys, go and check her out. Okay, so there's a wine thing, and then we have HelloFresh. I like HelloFresh. If I was up to even cooking just guys, I've been living on chicken soup. Chicken noodle soup. I don't want to ever see chicken soup again. So there's HelloFresh. Okay, and then some wine, which I don't drink wine. Okay, so let me just show you. So I did pick this. I think. I don't remember. I think I did. But it's the collagen. Because collagen is very good for you when you ingest it. Putting it on your face doesn't really do anything, guys. It's been my understanding. I could be wrong, but anytime I ever looked it up, it says to ingest it, that's the best benefit. So, just saying. And then in this thing, we have something. I don't know what this is. What is this? It's been so long. We're already doing winter already, I think. Or in November. It's coming up. Also, I have some big announcements to make about the Wake Up and Win It With Me Wednesday. That will be starting very soon. What is this? Heineken? No way. Oh my God, did they send me a beer? I didn't pick this. I did not pick this. Guys, I didn't pick this. Why is this in my box? It is Heineken. Oh, it's alcohol free. What? Ew. Who would want to bother? No, I'm just saying. I don't like beer. I never did. I was never a beer drinker, so there's that. Oh, God. Okay, so I did pick this. I did. I wanted this, but I didn't read about it, and I thought it was black, and then when they showed me my box, like, a long time ago, I remember going, oh, man, it's green? That's not going to go with my bedroom, so I might, I don't know, swap this or something. I don't know. For something, like, way better. I want a marshmallow blanket. That's, like, I know they have marshmallow blankets. I want one of them. Okay, so there's that. I don't know how much any of this stuff costs. I will try and look it up. And then this was pretty cool. Oh, it smells good. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, what is this? It is Moroccan spice. I like it. And it's sealed. And look, guys, it's sealed. And you can smell. Oh, I can't wait to burn that. It smells kind of like spicy Christmas, Thanksgiving kind of spices. That's cool. Maybe that'll help me get into the Christmas spirit. There is so much going on. Oh my gosh. I had to put all my testing on hold because I'm sick. Thank you very much. Then we do have this. Now, I do like this brand. This is what I needed to get out of there. This is the Pumpkin Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. There you have it. And I'm just going to quickly, like, make sure that it's intact. Yes, there you have it. I do like this brand. Guys, I have the matcha tea. I have the watermelon energy thing. I have the sunscreen moisturizer from this brand. I really do like this brand. So there's that. I don't know how much that is. Again, I will try and list it up here somewhere. And then we do have this. I have this already. Rejuvenating. This is from Coors. This is a double now. I got BoxyCharm. I think we got this from. This is Renewing Body Cleanser in what is the fragrance? I can't find my glasses, guys. That's why I'm like stuck looking like a silly person trying to read when I can't. And it's got plastic all around it. I don't know what fragrance it's in. Oh, there it is. Grape. It's grape. The other one is not grape, I don't think. I'll have to edit it in here. I don't remember what they picked. I will put a check mark. I'm pretty sure it was this. I didn't pick this. Did they send me this? Or is this just an extra? I don't know. That's pretty crappy if that's what they sent me. This can't be a gift, right? No, this can't be I don't think this is included. I think this better not be one of my products. I tell you. I'm going to be upset if that's the case. Yeah, I am. This is the bundle that they sent me. We do have an eyelash curler. It's like the gazillionth one I have. Babe Lash. Right there. Okay. Then we have this Restore chapstick. And then we have these, which, Oh, they're tied up. I'm going to open them. I'm going to cut. Hold, please. I'm sorry for sniffling. I am trying to edit out. So a rat tail comb, which I do use sometimes. Like when I'm like fixing my hair and I pull it back too far and I don't feel like redoing it, I just like take the tail and go like that, okay? And then these things. So, I mean, this, I guess I can use these. I thought it was going to be like a regular comb, you know, like, I don't know what I thought. I don't know what I thought. Don't listen to me. I'm crazy right now. Oh my gosh. So that is, what? How many prizes? How many? Wow. I think it's getting late. And I do have to film one more video because that will be the giveaway video. That you will see before this one. So congratulations to the winners. And I bet you didn't see that surprise coming, did you? I already knew I was going to do that when I started the giveaway, but I just didn't want to say anything. I don't know how much the box is worth. I will put it up here once I find out how much this stuff is. Guys, we do have 2 new subscriptions. Well, one is new to the channel and one is kind of like new, period. And I did that already, but I unboxed it with the camera off. So, like, I did the intro, but then I forgot to unpause the video for the rest of it. And I went through the whole box. So, just saying. So, when you see that, it will be a repeat. And, of course, I'm sure I'm going to tell you that because I haven't yet filmed it. I'll make sure that I say, hey, I already filmed it already once. Sorry. But at least I know how to present it better because, you know, it's really hard to, like, start off on a new subscription and get it right. But anyway, I know now how to approach it so that it will be nice and cohesive and quick. Like, not a long video. But a really good subscription. That much I will tell you. Please tune into that because when you see the word new, and you won't see it, it'll be in my, I'll do something where you can't see the box. Definitely tune in because I think it's a really good subscription. Not only is it good, it's good what it stands for. But this is FabFitFun we are talking about. Sorry, I digress. And yeah, so that is what I got for my fall. Guys, I got to be honest with you. I'm not loving this subscription. But I think it's because I don't know how to work like the perks to being one of these FabFitFun people. So if somebody could help me in the comment section on how to work this program or like work this subscription, because I know there's a way where you can get some really good deals, then please help me because I think that's probably the only way I'm going to end up keeping it. Because if I'm just going to get products like those all the time, I might cancel. I don't know. But I wanted to try it. We tried it, you know. I can't believe they sent me beer. What? Non-alcoholic beer. I mean, I'm glad it's not alcoholic because I don't drink. But not really. I mean, occasionally I'll drink like a margarita now and then, like when I was on vacation. But all right, guys. So there you have it. I hope everybody's doing really well out there. Please let me know how y'all are doing in the comment section. I miss you guys so much. You don't even know. I lay here and like cry. Like I'm the biggest baby when I'm sick. Not kidding. Not kidding. I literally lay in bed and just like whimper. Like I am the biggest baby, especially when I can't breathe. When I nose and stuff, I can't sleep for crap. This is like, I feel like a big plate of crap. That's what I feel like. I do. I'm not kidding. But this is real life over here. That's what I say. On this channel, if you are new here, you will get real life. I'm a real life person and real life things happen. I'm in my pajamas. I'm going to film one more video. I'm going to rip these lashes off and go to sleep. Thank you for tuning in with me. By the way, please remember, if you have not rated the video, please rate the video, thumbs up. It really has been helping me out, guys. And for those of you who have been doing that, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. I really do. So I will say, remember, if you are going through something, please share about it. Don't stuff it. It'll only get worse. At least it's been my experience anyway. And if you are asked to listen to somebody so they can vent, please do that. You can absolutely help them. But most of all, in this crazy mixed up world, please, to all my family members all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. Can I talk?